Welcome back to my new video. My name technician. This Bluetooth was sent to me for repair. Check this out. This Bluetooth is not turning on. Check this out, my dear technician. The first thing, I connect battery. I try turning on. I want to show you guys the proof that the Bluetooth is not turning on. Check this out. I try turning on the Bluetooth. It's not turning on. My dear technician, the owner of this Bluetooth really need this Bluetooth. He told me, please, Father Joe, find a way to fix this Bluetooth for me. I really need it. I told him, don't worry, I will try my best to fix it. Check this out. I use my multimeter and I test. I place the negative to the ground and I connect the positive to the V bars. Check this out. I want to test the battery power. Right here you can see the battery power is 3.7. The battery power is good. Check this out. I disconnect the battery and I start inspection. Check this out. I zoom to check component. I check the main Bluetooth IC. I check the sound IC. I check crystal oscillator. I check capacitors. I check resistors. I check charging IC. Check this out. There is no physical damage. The next thing is for me to check the low battery shutdown IC. This is the low battery shutdown IC. You can see the connection. You can see this diode. Very important. You need to check. Very important. You can see the S4. We have two S4 diode here. It's important we need to check. Because if one of these diode fail, this Bluetooth will not turn on. So I'm going to replace this diode. I'm going to replace this one. I told you guys in one of my videos, there are sometimes components can get issue, but when you read with your multimeter, it's reading perfectly. It's only reacting when power gets injected. Okay? Listen to me. There are sometimes components have issues. It's only reacting when power is injected. Okay? So you can see that there's no short. Then why the Bluetooth not turning on? Something is wrong. There's a component that is hiding. There's a component that is hiding, pretending to be good. You can see the capacitor. The reading here is perfectly fine. But why is not working? Let me start reading diode right now. Let's detect the error. Right here you can see the reading. You can see the reading 446. My dear technician, something is wrong. The reading is very close. S4 diode should give us around 500 and something resistance. But we have 4 something. Something is wrong. So I need to replace the diode. I need to replace it. It's important. I'll replace it. I'll replace with the same diode. Let me remove the diode right now. No time to waste. My dear technician, you can see that they have never worked on this Bluetooth before. This is the first time they work on this Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is a new Bluetooth. It's a new Bluetooth. My dear technician, please, I'm begging you, try as much as you can to learn component. Try as much as you can to learn component. Learn component. Learn how diode works, learn how capacitor works, learn how transistor works, learn how IC works. All of these components, you need to learn it so that you'll be able to fix them. Please, so that you'll be able to fix issues. Okay? My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, please. If you have any question, please feel free. Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, I will be done. Check this out. Let me let it. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. If you have any question, like I said before, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. Let me let it very well. I want the diode to be straight. Okay, I'm done. Check this out. Check this out, my data ignition. You can see I'm done changing the diode. Let's try to power on the Bluetooth. This is the 01. You can see the 01. So this is the one that comes with the Bluetooth. You can see the same is 4. So let me try turning on the Bluetooth. I want you guys to see the magic. At the ignition, let me try to on. 1, 2, ready, and go. Check this out. It works. By the ignition, it works. Just one hand, it works. Check this out. Check this out. It's good to know how component works. It's good to know how component works. You can see it's done. It's done. My data ignition is done. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I unplug and I plug again, and let me turn on. You can see this Bluetooth was sent to me from a very far distance because they try different technician try. It's not still working. So they have to send to me. You can see it's working. It's working. My data ignition is working. Let me connect speaker. It's working 100%. If you have question, let me know in the comment section, guys.
Guys, you can see the LED lights, everything will work. So let's select the sound.
My data ignition, it works like magic. Check this out, it works like magic. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. My data ignition, it works.
Cool, guys.
My data ignition, I'm done. So the next thing is for me to fix the Bluetooth. I have to fix it so that I will give it to the owner. Check this out. So this is the Bluetooth. I'll fix it and return to the owner. Thank you, guys. If you have any question, like I said before, let me know in the comment section. Follow me, like, comment, share this video, and guys,